Do you need to varnish a colored pencil piece? So this one here, that one is a combination colored pencil and charcoal. So I'm going to use Spectrafix on this. And to use this, I'm going to take my Spectrafix that is in a fine mist sprayer. So it's not going to spit out heavy droplets. And I'm very lightly light mist. That's it. Done. Leave it alone. I can come back and add a few more mists of that over the next, like tomorrow, I'll probably add a couple more light layers. I can go ahead and put that on that. But if I'm working on colored pencil normally, I don't spray any fixative. It doesn't need a fixative unless you're working on Prismacolor. Prismacolor is prone to a wax bloom. So they used to, I don't know if they still do, but they used to make a spray that was supposed to help prevent the wax bloom to develop over the years once it's framed. But all my other colored pencils, the ones I use, none of them need to be sprayed. The only time I spray is if, like in this case, I was working with charcoal, or if I was working in mixed media with pan pastels, or if I'm using my brushandpencil.com products with the powder blender or any of those, then I'm going to use their fixative. But let's say I'm just working on a hot press watercolor paper, straight colored pencil, does not need a fixative unless it's powder blender mixed with charcoal because the charcoal needs to be sealed, or mixed with pan pastel because the pan pastel needs to be sealed. It's not that the colored pencil needs to be sealed, but in those cases, the Spectrafix works for all of them. So it's safe to spray over the colored pencil and the charcoal to seal the charcoal down, but I'm not spraying it because of the colored pencil. Hope that makes sense.